Evening, everybody. Okay, I have a very, very special saw to show you. This is one of my prized Stihl chainsaws. Oh, hang on, I've just put fuel in, just to start, and I forgot to put the fuel cap on. Let's put the fuel cap on. And so, Stihl 045, 75cc, made from early 70s on, and same displacement exactly as the 07S, which started life, or the 07 started life some 14 years before this saw. So 50mm piston, 38mm stroke, ever so torquey engine. This one had the optional, I guess desirable for a lot of people, the chain brake, and I've never cut with her. I bought this from the original family owner which bought it, and the saw has hardly had any use. I'll put the camera around it in a second. And she has amazing compression. The exhaust is pristine, and so adjustable oiler. They state they can run up to a 25-inch bar, but I've seen other people running them with over a 30-inch bar. Very torquey engine, and obviously professional forestry saw in its day, an absolute thing of beauty. So AV of sorts, has some rubber mounts, rubber mount on the handle at the front, and completely, as far as I can tell, completely original. If I make sure this is switched off, I don't need to start. Spectacular compression. The piston is completely unmarked, looks in beautiful condition, and none of the engine bolts look tampered with. And so in my possession, all I have literally done are just a few tiny cosmetic changes to it, which would be, I changed the bar stud bolts to brand new ones, nuts, sorry, to brand new ones, and I put new hardened steel bolts around the casings, just because, you know, they just looked that much better. And I used the same knurled head, so like a japanned black finish, 10.8 hardened steel bolts all the way around, or screws. And she's had a new plug, new pull cord, had a starter rebuild, but just all very minor things, just kind of like general maintenance things. Okay, let me show you what she starts like. Kill switch, throttle lock, and I'll explain in a second why there's a second guide bar on the floor. So that was the, I'll explain it now. That's the original Duramatic guide bar, and I presume I'd missed it when I bought it, but so it's a solid nose bar, and a tiny section near the nose had popped out of off one of the drive rails. The drive rails are perfect on both the bars. And I thought, well, it probably still is okay to run it and cut like that, and I'd been running it and hadn't noticed it. But so anyway, I have another 24-inch Oregon bar which I've put on. So this is a roller nosed, and so both bars will come with the saw. Okay guys, so instantly up to 4 revs, instantly comes back down again. Perfect, starts exactly as they should. Brake, everything perfect on the saw. Just an absolute mechanical thing of beauty. Right, let me grab the camera and We'll take off the side cover as well, just so people can have a little look, so you can see exactly what she's like condition-wise, because if you're anything like me and you are buying for a very particular reason, then you may be as fussy as me and you may want to have everything just right. Actually, there's one additional thing I bought for this as well, or obtained for this, which was a, I don't think it was new, but it was a mint air filter as well, because they're I don't like them when they get damaged, which is invariably if the screwdriver slips off when you undo it, they damage the mesh galls. So this is the beautiful original Stihl Duromatic guide bar. Like I say, it's in just one family when I bought this. Travelled a long way as well. I travelled 280 miles round trip for this. And this tiny bit here had come out on the tip. The stellite tip is still intact all the way round. The guide rails are perfect, and it's perfect this side. So hence why I put another guide bar on it. But the original one, just for provenance and history's sake, stays with it. Air filter cover undamaged. Put that there. There's the mesh element on the air filter. It's absolutely pristine in terms of no fin damage. The thing's just, as I say, genuinely, I have never cut with this saw. The chain brake housing, chain strap, perfect. The clutch. See the oil being flung up around inside. I'd say the teeth were maybe half life or less on the chain. Place that like that. Top cover and brake handle, all absolutely perfect, lovely condition. All the paint completely original. And if I step over the saw, come around this side. The exhaust is in gorgeous condition, as is the felling spike. No play on the AV mount for the handle. And the tank is undamaged and the paint is pristine, in my opinion pristine. Brand new correct size pull cord. And all the way around, choke, throttle lock, kill switch, everything working correctly. Guys, I'm going to pause the video and just put the covers back on again, and I shall show her on one very quick cut, just to show what she actually cuts like. And I'm excited myself because, like I say, I've never used her, not even once, for even a single cut. Back in a second. Hi guys, okay, I'm back. So I have some, what is that? 14 or 15 inch larch. So let's see how she cuts. First time ever for me with this, and I've never used a 045 before either, so it's a first in every regard. Kill switch. Hey guys, she's fantastic. 1 second. Sorry, just checking, just getting my warning for data, nearly out of memory. So, there you go, she could probably do with the chain being dressed a fraction and doesn't bog down in the cut. There she is, that's my Time Warp Stihl 045 AV. Up on eBay, or going up on eBay as a collector's item, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there that appreciates spectacular German engineering. Bye for now, guys.